Aam Aadmi Party statement on the Enforcement Directorate's affidavit. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's legal team now registers strong objection to the ED's affidavit opposing interim bail in Supreme Court. The complaint made to the Supreme Court registry by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's legal team. ED's affidavit was submitted after the hearing and is completed, is what the team of Arvind Kejriwal is saying, and just before the decision is to be announced tomorrow by the Supreme Court. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was arrested on the basis of statements of ED's four approvers, Magunda Reddy, Sharath Reddy, Satya Vijay Nayak, and a close aide of a former BJP Chief Minister, all of whom are directly related to the BJP, says the Aam Aadmi Party. ED has illegally picked up a sitting Chief Minister and National Convener of a national party 5 days after the Model Code of Conduct came into force, providing BJP unjust upper hand in the ongoing elections, is what the Aam Aadmi Party has said in its objection to the Enforcement Directorate's affidavit. Kejriwal's arrest clearly compromises level playing field, a prerequisite for free and fair elections. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's arrest is a glaring abuse of due process of law as well as procedure established by the Enforcement Directorate, is what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying. Srishti Ojha, my colleague, is joining us over the phone line this morning. Srishti, a big day for Arvind Kejriwal. Today, of course, the Supreme Court will announce its decision on whether it will be granting interim bail to the Chief Minister of Delhi or not in order to campaign for the elections. Now, you told us about what the Enforcement Directorate's affidavit before the Supreme Court was yesterday, where they, of course, objected to any granting of interim bail, saying that it would set the wrong precedent. What has the Aam Aadmi Party said in response now, Srishti?
Well, definitely, as you said, the day for Arvind Kejriwal, the court will today decide whether or not any interim bail will be granted to him on the grounds of campaigning. It's become more important because the Enforcement Directorate has once again decided to oppose it just a day before the hearing by filing an affidavit clearly saying that he has no right to claim any such relief on grounds of campaigning. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has claimed that they have filed a complaint that's written to the registry raising objections to this particular affidavit, stating that the same could not have been filed because according to them, the hearing has already been concluded. They have in their strong objection to the affidavit said that the hearing in the case is completed and just before the court is to announce the decision, the ED has filed this affidavit in a very incorrect manner. Now, what's important here to note is that there is a clear what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying with regard to this hearing being completed is different from what the Enforcement Directorate lawyers had conveyed, their legal team had conveyed to us, because according to the ED, the submissions, the arguments with regard to the interim bail are not yet concluded, and the court still might hear that matter today. Okay. So we'll get more clarity on that once the Supreme Court hears the matter on whether more arguments will take place or will the judgment be pronounced today at the outset. Back to you.
Srishti, thank you so much for bringing us all of those updates. So, will Arvind Kejriwal get interim relief from the top court? The Enforcement Directorate on Thursday opposed the interim bail for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. In an affidavit filed before the Supreme Court, the probe agency had said that the right to campaign for elections was not a fundamental or even a legal right. The probe agency is also expected to file its first charge sheet against Kejriwal in the liquor policy case today. Now, this will be the first time that Kejriwal will be named as an accused in the alleged excise policy scam case. The affidavit was filed yesterday by the central agency a day before the Supreme Court today is set to hear Arvind Kejriwal's interim bail plea in the Delhi liquor policy case, alleging that the arrest compromises level playing field. Earlier, the Supreme Court had said that if Kejriwal is given interim relief, it doesn't want him to be performing official duties as Chief Minister.
सबको देखा जाए सुप्रीम कोर्ट अरविंद केजरीवाल को जमानत देने के लिए कुछ टर्म एंड कंडीशन में तैयार हो रही है, पर ईडी लगातार विरोध कर रही है।
देखिए, कल सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला का सबको इंतजार है, हम भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर सुरक्षित रखा है। मेरा मानना है कि जिस प्रकार का भ्रष्टाचार का केस अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के ऊपर चल रहा है, ऐसे मामले में जब तक कितने साक्ष्य हैं और कोई जांच में सहयोग भी न करे तो ऐसा व्यक्ति जब बाहर आएंगे तो निश्चित रूप से साक्ष्यों से छेड़छाड़ करेंगे। लेकिन माननीय कोर्ट का जो भी आदेश होगा हम उसको पालन करते हैं।